Welcome to Phuket, Thailand, a tropical paradise that combines natural beauty, rich culture, and unforgettable experiences. From the moment you step foot on this enchanting island, you'll be captivated by its stunning landscapes, warm hospitality, and vibrant energy. Join us now as we embark on a cinematic journey to discover the top 10 highlights that make Phuket an unforgettable destination. Over the next few moments, allow the sights and sounds of this tropical paradise to wash over you, transporting you to a realm of wonder and beauty. Our journey begins with the sunrise over Phang Bay. Here, as the first rays of dawn pierce the early morning mist, a sight of remarkable beauty unfolds. Towering limestone casts, sculpted by millennia of wind and water, rise dramatically from the turquoise waters. These ancient monoliths, shrouded in a soft ethereal light, create a scene that feels almost otherworldly. As the sun ascends, it paints the sky in a breathtaking palette of colors, reflecting off the tranquil waters below. The air is alive with the sounds of nature awakening, the gentle lapping of waves against the rocks, the calls of exotic birds hidden amongst the foliage. It's a moment of pure magic, a testament to the raw, untamed beauty of the natural world. Next we venture inland, ascending gently sloping hills cloaked in lush tropical vegetation. Our destination, the iconic Big Buddha, a towering symbol of peace and serenity. This magnificent statue, 45 meters tall and gleaming white against the azure sky, seems to radiate a sense of profound tranquility. As we approach, we're greeted by the gentle tinkling of bells carried on the warm breeze. From the summit, the panoramic views are simply breathtaking. The entire island unfolds before us, a tapestry of emerald green hills, sparkling blue waters, and vibrant coastal towns. Take a moment to breathe in the serenity of this sacred place, to feel the weight of history and spirituality that permeates the very air. As the day unfolds, we find ourselves drawn to the coast, to the golden sands of Kata Noi beach. Here, nestled between verdant headlands, lies a true tropical paradise. The crystal-clear waters, shimmering under the warm Thai sun, invite us to unwind and embrace the idyllic surroundings. As the sun begins its descent, the sky transforms into a canvas of breathtaking beauty. Hues of orange, pink and purple dance across the horizon, casting a warm glow over the beach. The gentle rhythm of the waves, the soft whisper of the breeze, the laughter of children playing on the shore, all combine to create a symphony of tranquility. This is a place to relax, to reflect, and to simply be present in the moment. Chapter 4. A Tapestry of Time. Our journey takes us next to the heart of Phuket, to the captivating labyrinthine streets of Phuket Old Town. Here, time seems to slow down, allowing us to step back into a bygone era. The streets, lined with colourful Sino-Portuguese shophouses, whisper tales of the island's rich history, a melting pot of cultures and influences. Intricate details adorn the buildings. Ornate balconies, pastel-coloured facades, and traditional Chinese lanterns strung overhead. The air is alive with a vibrant energy, a blend of old and new. Local artisans display their crafts. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee wafts from charming cafes, and the laughter of children playing echoes through the narrow alleyways. Chapter 5. A Feast for the Senses. As dusk descends, casting long shadows across the island, we venture into the heart of a bustling night market. Here, under a canopy of twinkling lights, the true spirit of Phuket comes alive. The air is thick with the intoxicating aroma of Thai spices, a symphony of scents that tantalize the senses. Vendors, their stalls piled high with exotic fruits, fragrant flowers and local handicrafts, call out, eager to share their wares. We wander through the market, captivated by the sights, sounds and smells that surround us. The sizzle of street food being prepared, the rhythmic beat of traditional music, the friendly chatter of locals and tourists alike. It's a sensory overload in the best possible way. Our Chapter 6. Island Jewels. Today we embark on an adventure to the Phi Islands, a cluster of emerald green jewels scattered across the azure waters of the Andaman Sea. As our boat glides through the tranquil waters, we're treated to breathtaking views of towering limestone cliffs, their sheer faces plunging into the crystal-clear depths below. The Phi Islands are a haven for marine life, and as we snorkel through the warm, inviting waters, we're greeted by a kaleidoscope of colors. Schools of brightly colored fish dart amongst the coral reefs, while graceful sea turtles glide effortlessly through the turquoise depths. Chapter 7. Back on the mainland, we delve into the heart of Khao Phraya National Park, a verdant paradise where ancient rainforest cloaks the hillsides. Here, beneath a canopy of towering trees, a world of wonder awaits. The air is thick with humidity, alive with the sounds of the jungle. The chatter of monkeys swinging through the trees, the calls of exotic birds, the rustling of leaves as unseen creatures go about their daily lives. We trek through the jungle, following winding trails that lead us past cascading waterfalls and hidden pools. The sunlight filters through the dense foliage, casting an ethereal glow on the forest floor. Chapter 8. A Culinary Symphony. No journey to Phuket is complete without experiencing the artistry of Thai cuisine. We step into a local restaurant, where the aroma of fresh herbs and spices fills the air. In the kitchen, a skilled chef works with deft precision, transforming simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. Watch as they expertly chop fresh vegetables, their hands moving with a rhythmic grace. The sizzle of garlic and ginger hitting the hot wok, the fragrant steam rising from the lemongrass-infused curries. It's a symphony of sights, sounds, and smells that tantalize the senses. Chapter 9. A Spiritual Sanctuary. Our journey takes us next to Wat Chalong, the most important Buddhist temple in Phuket. As we enter the temple grounds, we're struck by a sense of profound peace and tranquility. Intricate details adorn the temple buildings, colorful murals depicting scenes from the life of Buddha, shimmering gold leaf, and ornate carvings. The air is heavy with the scent of incense, and the soft chanting of monks creates an atmosphere of serenity and contemplation. Chapter 10. Starlight Serenade. As our journey draws to a close, we find ourselves drawn back to the coast, to the tranquil shores of the Andaman Sea. The sun has set, painting the sky in a final, breathtaking display of colors. As darkness descends, 1,000,000 stars begin to twinkle overhead, casting their ethereal glow on the gently rolling waves. The air is cool and refreshing, carrying with it the faint scent of salt and the soothing rhythm of the waves. We sit on the beach, mesmerized by the celestial display above, lost in the vastness of the universe. Outro until next time, Phuket. As we bid farewell to Phuket, we carry with us a treasure trove of unforgettable memories. From the majestic sunrise over Phang Nga Bay to the tranquil starlit nights on the Andaman Sea, this tropical paradise has left an indelible mark on our souls. Phuket isn't just a destination, it's an experience that leaves you inspired and longing for more. Join us as we unveil its hidden wonders, one breathtaking moment at a time.